Hey guys, how's it going? How to transfer crypto from another wallet to Kraken. To transfer cryptocurrency from another wallet to your Kraken account, follow these steps. Log into your Kraken account and then click the arrow thing at the bottom middle, and you're gonna click deposit, right? And then select the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit. Let's have example Bitcoin, right? And then you're gonna select the network, all right? And let's have example, I'm using Lightning, right? If it's your first time depositing the currency, click on generate deposit address and basically click I understand from here. Enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to receive, right? Let's have example $5, and then go ahead and click generate deposit request. Okay, and then basically the other person will or you're gonna share that QR code to the other person so they can add the they can add the address for depositing or transferring in their case from their wallet to yours. All right, and as you can see right here, it expires in 59 minutes. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.